The dusty and sun-faded dashboard of your car will look like new again. Using just 2 ingredients. Yes, only 2, and your car will look impeccable. In today's video, I'll teach you how to prepare a homemade solution to make it shine. Practical and very easy. Besides restoring the plastic to a like-new appearance, it will also create protection against any weather conditions. The plastic will never again become dry or cracked. And not just the dashboard, you can also apply it to all the plastic parts of your car, like doors, mirrors, and other details. And the best part, using ingredients you probably already have at home that are super affordable. To start this trick, we'll need hand sanitizer gel, also known as antiseptic. I'll use just 3 tablespoons of hand sanitizer gel. This solution will give an incredible shine to the dashboard, and not only to it but to any dry plastic in your home or car. And all of this, of course, using ingredients you already have on hand. We'll also add 2 tablespoons of hair gel, or if you don't have hair gel, you can substitute with hair conditioner. Either option delivers fantastic results. I used this hair gel that I already had stored at home. With just 2 ingredients, you'll make your car shine. You'll save money by avoiding expensive products that can even damage the plastic when exposed to the sun. After you finish mixing, it should look like this, ready to use. Now I'll use a cloth to apply the mixture, but you can also choose a sponge. Go to the car dashboard or the dry plastic of any object you want to restore. Take the cloth or sponge and gently spread it over the entire surface. In no time, you'll notice how the shine starts to appear. All that dull and worn look will disappear completely, leaving the plastic looking more vibrant. Notice the area where you haven't yet applied the product. There's a clear difference between the 2 sides. It's ideal to apply it with gentle movements to spread the mixture well. Here, I also used it on other plastic parts of the car. Some were a bit dusty and unpleasant to look at. But after applying this solution, the look was completely renewed. These areas used to look dull, and just with the application of the mixture, they gained a more vibrant tone, looking like new. Moreover, there are plastic parts that tend to lose their color. See the difference this mixture made. It truly transforms. The result is impressive. I'm sure you'll love it. Share it with your friends and family. I'm sure they'll love this tip. Rate this video from 1 to 10 and let me know where you're watching from. That way, I can send a special shout out in the next video. Thank you so much for following this content, and see you in the next video.